The Chesterfield Township Library has many valuable databases. You can find these databases at www.chelibrary.org under the Learn tab. Today we will discuss Home Improvement Reference Center. This database has more than 150 full-text reference books, 50 full-text magazine and trade publications, and over 35,000 images not available anywhere else online. Subjects in Home Improvement Reference Center includes maintenance, remodeling, electrical work, decorating home and garden, outdoor improvements, plumbing, and wood projects. There's a helpful toolbox with how-to videos, a conversion chart, which includes converting inches to millimeters, the different size nails, lumber dimensions, etc. There's a glossary of terms, and the homeowner's journal is helpful for record keeping for repairs and home improvements for every aspect of the house, from foundation to roofing to every room in the house. And there's also tips on how to work with a contractor. You can search the database through these subjects: outdoor projects, children's play projects, and here's a children's picnic table plan, which is PDF, so you can save it or print it, has the materials, the finished picture, diagram, and instructions. There's also gardening, hobby farms, landscaping, and they're all PDF printable. I highly recommend Home Improvement Reference Center for home improvement, gardening, and the weekend projects. Thank you.